Hey guys, I'm back and today we are going to be doing Bounty. Um, it's a Windows machine, it's part of liankusangi's OSCP like list which preps you for the OSCP, and it's mainly rated medium by the community. I've already ran my 2 scans, which is an all port scan. I actually ran it twice because I wasn't sure, like when it only said like port 80 is open, I was like no way. So then I did it again, so port 80 was actually open. I just ran, default scripts and SV to enumerate the version. So yeah, we can just go, guess it's all gonna be web-based stuff then. Let's get on burp, start that up. And let's go here. Let's call this next, start. Let's put web over here and copy the IP. So we have this ugly wizard. Let's save image as Merlin. Okay, that's a name. Let's go back here and let's move this download Merlin over here. And let's use X tool Merlin. Alright, time to run our crazy scans. So let's start off with Dirbuster. I think it's URL. Paste this in here. How the hell is it not valid? Okay, that's why. Okay, sorry, I'm using the damn wrong tool. Oh my goodness. What's that stupid tool called? Let's go here. Web. Loot first. I was using Dirbuster, but it's dir search there. So that's that search going on there. Another thing to check is index.html. Nope. ASPX. Okay, ASPX, ASP. Nope. PHP. Nope. Clicking this, we have ASP over here in PHP. Great. Here we see this. Nothing in source code. We do have, yeah, we're not going to bother with that much yet. Next thing I'm going to run is actually Ferox Buster. Let's let this run. I do have this called uploaded files. So you go here, upload files, access is denied. And probably the same in this case, it will say, oops. Access denied. And yeah, we'll let this run, and we'll run a couple more scans on here. So now we're gonna do fuff. Medium is fine. We're gonna do fuzz. And for the extensions, we're just gonna do e.php. We do it .aspx, asp. That should be kind of okay. Good enough, right? Oops, we just forgot this. And medium is fine. I'm getting quite some stuff here. Let's let this run. So I do have this thing called transfer aspx. And now I'm seeing a connection with the uploaded files and this area. So over here where it says uploaded files, let's open this link. Let's go to Bounty and use source. Interesting. What if I do this? Alright then. So let's go back to burp and do this. Let's get a couple of requests. Number one is we need this. So that is there. Button access, let's let Mr. Repeater. It's going to be useful. This is also going to be useful. And nothing there. What's the result here? Okay. From here we can probably turn this off now. Actually no, I'm going to send something. Let's get a small image and let's call it small JPEG image. I mean, how? Come on. Save image as PNG. That's fine. Let's copy this. Okay, 1 second. I'm gonna try doing. Okay, whatever. Let's move download. Okay. Alright then. So browse, let's go desktop and Bounty. This is in bytes. I'd rather just do the Merlin one. Let's put this here and we have this on, correct? Nope. There, now we have it on. And let's click upload. File uploaded successfully. Let's check the request a bit more. Interesting. If we go here, you will see, I believe these are the first magic bytes. So we can just take this as well, copy this JPEG, and let's upload another one actually. Nano. Perfect. And let's go here, browse, upload. Same thing. Alright, so let's send this to repeater. Now we're gonna have to do a lot of testing. Okay. So first of all, let's try to see if changing this to PH. Since this is a Windows machine, I'm actually gonna go with ASP. What does it say? Invalid file. Please try again. ASPX. No. PNG probably works. JPEG works. What about GIF? Works. PHP doesn't work. 2, 3, 4, bar. Okay. So now that we know that JPEG goes through, what I want to try to do is slightly change these things on if it checks for these type of things. Let's move this magic byte stuff and see if it works. It works. If I do GIF 8, it still works. So no filters here, it seems. Let's check content type. Content type list. No. GitHub. So let's check ASP. Alright, PHP. This is one. Let's check if it checks for this. Okay, it doesn't check for that. So I'm assuming we go here and rewrite. Let me just double check this a bit. Oh yeah, it could have some bypasses such as a. Nope. Alright, what is the version? Let's go here. Okay. I don't care about that. So you're saying this could work? File uploaded successfully. Let's try that again. Let's put shell 1. Files. Strange. I feel like ASPX is the only thing that's gonna work. I don't think we gotta worry about this, to be honest. So it does show, and we do got a hit. Let's see now. It contains errors. That doesn't mean much. Because over here, we're gonna go to rev shells. 10, 10, 14, 12, 9001. Windows. Do, do, do. Copy, move, shell ASPX. Let's move that here. Target proxy intercept on upload. And let's change this to, or center repeater is fine. Now let's start playing around with this. And I gotta change this first to 10.14.12 and change this to 9001. Start with there. Now let's go to over here. This is fine, this is fine. Let's try JPEG. Does it work? Congrats, it does work. Shell.pjpeg. Cannot display because it has errors. ASPX JPEG. JPEG dot. Did it work? Fuck, it got me so excited. Is it because intercept is on? Off. Almost. Let's try that again. Peter, send. Shell 1. With ASP. Let's do payloads of all things. It had something over here for Windows. But didn't it go through? Invalid file. Dot sir. Invalid file. Alright, back to my notes. ASMX. So we also have this. We do have a couple. It's worth a try. Let's see if any of these goes through. Nope. Soap. Nope. We tried that. We tried that. ASMX. SMX. Nope. AshX. AshX. Nope. Okay. So we're done with that. Yeah, I know. We could have done ASP. I guess there's only a whitelist. That's why none of this is working. Yep. Double filter. So if I do JPEG ASPX, does not work. What about this? So this does not work. Let's move on to the next one. ASPX.jpg. Let's call this shell2 instead. This is gonna load. If it contains error. So instead of JPEG, let's try other things like PNG. This worked. Let's try PNG here. This did not work. JPEG the whole thing. Let's try that. JPEG. And then one more try is going to be GIF. Okay. So now we're going with character injections. We don't really need this. Tips. Nope. So let's take the script and let's do nano script on such. Put this in here, extensions in ASPX, which we know is going to work. A bunch of this. And let's do this. Replace shell with reb so it's just easier for me to see all that. And apparently we're going with JPEG first, so bash cat wordless. Now we have all of this. Let's put this into intruder. Intruder here, and let's change this, add load wordless. Don't URL encode and run this. Let's see what works. Response, file uploaded successfully. Let's try this one first. And why is it PHP? What the hell? 1 second. This should not be PHP. Remove, clear, clear. Load. This is networked, okay. Hack the box, bounty, wordless. That is better. This is working, so we can just copy this. Alright, I can get that to work. Let's try this. This doesn't work. Invalid. Strange. Let's 2.0.5. I'm gonna go ahead and try something. Okay, it did not work. Okay, this is what I was looking for. Is .config allowed? Yes or no? Alright then, let's try this. It is allowed. It is allowed. Oh my goodness. It is allowed. Okay. So, let's pause this somewhere. Pause. Alright, perfect. Paused. And let's begin our craziness. HTT access. Probably gonna reset this. We've uploaded a lot. Don't want anything to do with this. Okay, we got this over here. Oh, so it's pretty much this whole thing already. Is it done yet? Let's just do this one. Alright, let's do this and see what happens. So first of all, we are going to go here, and we're just going to double check this by doing ESPX. Okay, now we're getting this one. Why are we getting this error? Didn't we not reset it? Okay. RCE VIA web.config ASPX. Let's see if we can find something good here. CTF script blah blah. Let's just go ahead and try the payload type of thing. Let's try this. Copy. I don't think I reset it properly. Let's remove this. Get rid of this, this. And let's go to shell.config send. Okay, it's not working at all. Let's go here and do okay, I'm gonna probably like turn this off and redo this. Okay, let's keep this that way. Until then, I am gonna do a bit more research on this. We're gonna confirm that this works or not. And actually we actually will be doing this one. But what I'm worried about is that over here it says ASP when I think I need ASPX. So this one over here, same thing. How about that? Already restarted? No, we didn't yet. Okay, we can close this. I don't think we need this anymore. Discard. I am actually going to close this as well. And we can go here. Let's copy this and name this nano.config. Listener is ready. Great. Alright then. Let's go here. Transfer. And let's put web.config and upload. Now from here, nope. Let's try this. Why am I taking this long? Actually, let's try this with double check. So now we got the 500 error. Actually, we can just remove all of this. Copy, paste. Let's try this. Who am I? Let's confirm. Load. Refresh. I think it did execute. And I think the reason this is not working is because you should do exe here. Let's double check. Web config. Check this. Let's try it out. Web config, upload, refresh. Alright then. Perfect. Who am I? Merlin. Okay. Oh, damn it. Okay. Oh, let's see. Users. Oh, okay, so we have C impersonate privilege. Guess the privesc is easy then. And why is it not here? CD desktop. CD desktop. dir. CD documents. dir. CD downloads. dir. CD public. CD documents. Where is this file? So this is the command that worked for us. I think the other one also worked. Oh, and he got it from here, I believe, from reading this. Blah, blah. Alright, I don't need to look at this anymore. This is a nice resource. Yeah, where the hell is this? We have seen personally privilege, so that is not a worry. Let's just get root, or NT authority. Alright then, let's go back to my notes. Windows privesc, put the groups, see impersonate. Let's go with this one. And we can also do system info. I'm sure this is an old system. Yep. But we're just gonna do this exploit. Easier to do. Compiled. Nope. Pre-compiled. No. Perfect. Let's go here and let's move over here. And if I go there's another one that I always use that didn't need to do any of this. I forgot what it's called. I think called print spoofer. Let's go to compiled binaries again. Each spawn a system and interact with it. Yep, it's this one. So let's go here, download 64. This is 64. Python 3M. Let's get this one. Did we get 10.10 14.12? Alright, I think I know my issue. Kali. Upload this again. I mean, I'd say we just reset it, honestly. How long has this been? Okay, 1 hour, 14 minutes. Okay, so let's go back here. CD users or desktop. No worries. From here, I'm actually going to I actually want to do this first. Okay, that's fine. And do this and change this to 8,000. 8,000. Let's change the shell to CMD. Copy. dir. Why is it still PowerShell, huh? Who am I? How am I supposed to get anything on here then? Let's check some other binaries are installed or not. Okay, this one is on. Never mind. Personnel. Nope. File transfer. Cert util. Let's finish this off by doing this. There we go. Did we get everything from it? Yep, and the last thing to do is to run this. Now all we gotta do is iccmd. iccmd. Print. Actually, let me try this first. So Venom, Windows, 8005. Reverse.exe, reverse.exe. That was quick. 8005, huh? Okay, that was quick. And it looks much better now. Feels and looks much better. IC CMD. Who am I? Nope, so that command did not work then. Who am I slash priv. Okay, so if this one didn't work, so we did try that. Let's try the other one, which is sharp something here. And from here, P. This is what? 8005. Let's open another one. Perfect. Program reverse dot. Uppercase. Nope. Anyways, okay. Well, it's not working then. Let's just use system info. To 7 2008 R 2008 R2. This is what we have. Let's just write this. Compiled. Perfect. This is what we need. Let's 11046. Let's download this. Here, we can do left, right, move, MS here. Alright then. Who am I? Did not work. Okay. dir. So this one is not working. Let's see what else. I don't want to run. So we have this one. I could also use, the thing is I don't want to use Windows Exploit Suggester because there's just so many issues happen with it. I could use MSF console to run Exploit Suggester on it. I'm thinking I am going to try that actually. But before I try that, I'm going to take a guess at... Nah, I'm going to try that because I haven't done that in a while anyways. Just a good learning experience. So, MSF Venom, let's do this. If I remember correctly, Interpreter. Res, okay, it's fine. 444. MSF console. Let's close this and do MSF console. This is made correct. Okay. Ten 14.12. Run. What the hell? Okay, let's try something else. 5. Jupiter. Let's try this. SF console. I can stop this. And we'll run the same command. Oh, it's not remove, it's probably delete. Okay, I don't have access. That's fine, we'll just go here and do this command here. Options. Oops. Let me do this again. Use exploit multi handler options set lhost 12. Oops, not run. Damn it. Fuck. Set port to 4445. Now I run. Check 445, and now I can run this. I'm surprised it's not working. I think it's set L port to 8000, and then I do run. Come on. Options L port 445. Set options. Set payload to this. Options run. Now if I go back here, dir, this has to work now. Let's give this a minute and run. Okay, thank God. Ah. Help. So I could do get system to see if that works. Or I can do steal token. This might actually work. Steal token. Actually, let's just do bj background. Search Windows exploit suggester. How do you spell suggest? Oh my. That's right. local exploit. Session options session 2 to run. If you guys are wondering why I'm using Metasploit, personally for the exam I plan to use Metasploit only for probably Windows machine. That's kind of it, honestly. I wouldn't use it for anything else. That's my personal thing. But I'm sure that you can find this using Windows exploit suggested the binary or something. Same thing, but this is just like more. It just has a bunch of Python issues. Running check method for exploit. Alright. What happened? R to Alright, so we got a couple. Let's copy this and nano notes. Cat notes. Let's try this first. Number 5. Session 2. Set lhost to 10.10.14.12. Show targets. Run. Okay, who am I? Okay, let's do help. And let's do What's the command? Get UID. There. Alright, so we actually got it. We are now root dir cd desktop dir here cd administrator dir cd desktop dir. Alright, great. So that's the end of this video. I personally need to learn about Metasploit a bit, like using the exploit suggester. I knew about it, but I wanted like set up the proper binary to use what do you call? Yeah, the proper thing to use for this. Um, like Windows exploit suggester. Oops. Windows exploit suggester. Yeah, this over here, like it has some Python issues that I encountered a lot, so it kind of pisses me off. That's why I just went straight to this, because if I was to do this, it would probably take me a while in this video, and obviously I like to keep it under 2 hours. But yeah, that's it. Where the hell is user.txt? I don't know, but it's somewhere, man. I got root, but it's somewhere in here. Um, but yeah, what command can we use to find the file? Find file in Windows. Oops, CMD. I mean, you guys can probably find the file by yourself. I don't think you need my help for that. Um, but yeah, okay. Take care and see you guys.